Hola, this is Lora Arellano, and I'm here to show you guys the most anticipated collection we have this entire year because it's so precious and so meaningful to me. I made this collection to remember, you know, those lost loved ones. I know a lot of you guys share stories that are similar to mine with loved ones you've lost, and I hope this brings some comfort and some, you know, sunshine back into your life because I really needed it. Whenever I see a little butterfly, it just kind of reminds me that everything's gonna be okay. I wanted to create this beautiful collection called Amor Y Mariposas, which means love and butterflies. And of course, the special, super special monarch butterfly that I see every day. Sometimes it's not even a monarch butterfly. It could be a hummingbird, it could be a different kind of butterfly, but it's always a messenger. If you open up the PR box, you'll see this beautiful art piece that my favorite artist in the whole world created for us, Gustavo Rimada. And if you see here, this is a surprise actually from Gustavo, but when he delivered the art piece, he was like, "Do you notice anything?" And he pointed at this butterfly. He put Mochi's face in it. Look how cute. I totally cried. On the top lid, you'll see this gorgeous mirror. We created it in this blood red tone, and it has the beautiful artwork of the monarch butterflies with the roses. On the other side, you'll see this awesome campaign that we shot for this collection. On the bottom layer of the PR box, you'll see the beautiful 20 shade eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette, a brand new blush palette. We've never made a blush palette either. And then 7 beautiful chrome gold brushes with ruby red hair. There's this beautiful highlight blush brush. Then you'll get this smaller highlight brush. You could add highlight the bridge of the nose, and they all come with this gorgeous little detailed collar. We have 2 eyeshadow brushes here. This one's got like a little bit of an angle so you can get in to either cut a crease or apply on the lid. The Lapiz Fino, this is the tiniest little pencil brush for like the deepest smoke you want to get, or if you want to smudge a color under your eye. This one is great. It applies color with ease. That's the blush palette. So excited about. It's so pretty. It comes with 6 blushes. There's Feliz, Sonrisa, Conmigo, Flor, Vida, and Milagritos. Milagritos is this super soft peachy pink blush, matte. This one looks great with Vida topped on top of it. Vida has this almost like pinky shimmer. I'm wearing it together with Feliz right now on my. I love it as like an all over glow, or just as a topper on top of blush, or even as a blush alone, honestly. The first ever 20 shade eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. Look at those beautiful tones. These pressed pigments on the bottom here, you can put them on anywhere but the eyes. They're not allowed on the eyes, but you can play with them however you want. Perfectionist lip liner. It's called Esperanza. Esperanza is actually my grandmother's name. And fun fact, my mom told me that she was actually going to name me Esperanza when I was born. So can you imagine? My name would have been Esperanza. Then this deep purple is called Familia. Ooh. Comes with 3 gel liners, Concha, and as you guys know, Concha is the sweetbread, Mexican sweetbread with the pink or colorful frosting on top of it. So we named this one Concha. It's a paint. Estrella, this beautiful gold. Oh my god, this goes on so pretty on the eyes. It's like a true chrome gold gel eyeliner. Colibrí, which in Spanish means hummingbird, I mean in English means hummingbird. And we took inspiration from this from the beautiful feathers of a hummingbird gorgeous that is. Oh, this is my favorite gel liner out of all of them. I love everything about this whole collection, but the lipsticks are super pretty. I'm so excited because it's the first ever glitter lipsticks that we make. Let's see if you could see them. It comes with 2 glitter lipsticks. This one's Inolvidable and Amor Eterno. And these have kind of like a sheer base. It's sheer creamier than our normal lipsticks, and they apply with more pigment once you layer them, or you can amp up the glitter with layering. There's Recuerdos, this purple lipstick that I'm obsessed with. It's a very warm purple lipstick. Besos, it's this hot coral lipstick. Alma Gemela, which means soulmate. And this is like a flamingo. They all come in this beautiful gold case with the Milagritos heart on it, with the butterfly, the Monarca butterfly on it. It's so pretty. And our logo on it. Gorgeous, look how pretty. And that is our holiday collection all wrapped up in one. I can't wait for you guys to get this. I can't wait for you guys to see this in person, enjoy all the little details that I didn't even talk about. Like there's so many little details to this collection that you're gonna see once you get this in person. You know, we always pay attention to every detail, always put in little secret messages into everything. I hope you guys love this as much as we do. I hope it's as meaningful as it is for us. And I hope you guys love this. I can't wait for you guys to try. Let us know what you think. See you guys soon.